Hi, I'm Matthew, and sometimes I forget to hit the record button. Welcome to my channel. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. That's right. When the red light comes on, it's time to perform. What do I want to do? Well, spoiler alert, I thought that I had everything ready. Started doing the shave routine and looked up right there and realized the red light was not on. Today is day 9 of the 12 Shades of Christmas with the Advent calendar, and it is Han Polo. Now, this is not a smoke and illusion. This is my old set. Here is the new set, what you get. Everybody knows this is a homage or a dupe of green polo or polo green, whichever way you want to say it. I have it whipped up already in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. Made a beautiful lather. I need to stop and get a counter and see how many times I say beautiful. This is my Trotter's Handcraft brush in this classic red color with the gold sparkles. Beautiful. And I'm going to be using my Yaqi Red Devil. You notice I've got a little black and red theme to go along with the Han Polo. And today I think I'm going to use a little ice tube pre-shave. I need some menthol. It's not all I need. I need lessons on how to use my phone to record. It happens to the best of us. Sometimes we just get so excited or distracted, and it's just easy to not pay attention to what you're doing. Here's the little card. No reason for us to go through it because most of us know what polo green smells like. So it is a nice scent, classic scent at that. And the menthol, I kind of feel it a little bit around my eyes. What a nice lather with the CK6. No problems lathering it up. Excellent. Let's do a little sneak peek tease of the lather here. I don't have it quite as wet. For some reason, this one, I put the 14 or the quarter of a teaspoon in 14 milliliters of water, and the scooper may have been a little bit more heaping than normal. Usually I scrape off the top, but I was a little flustered from missing out on opening the shaving calendar, but that's okay. Did I tell you I have a Gillette Nacet blade in here? One day worth of growth, and this razor always has a nice kind of audio feedback to it. Still can't believe I did that or didn't do that. I didn't do the thing I should have did. Well, we're plugging along. It's going to be over before we know it. And I'm always skeptical about what's going to be next. You know, like a little kid just waiting to open up to get his chocolate. It's really fun to get some of these scents and try them. And this soap was originally released in 2016, so this is something from the past. I kind of always wonder, you know, is it going to come back? Will we see it again? Is it gone forever? That's the one thing, you know, I used to go to the website to place my orders with Phoenix Shaving, And since they have the app, if you really enjoy the scents and all that kind of stuff, if you want to be updated when the new releases are out, you can sign up for the newsletter. But I do recommend that you get the app, because sometimes there are special releases in the app only. And this may be one of those things. And usually it's only available for 1 day on the app. So it could be something that you could miss. And there's been a few things that I thought about getting, you know, on the app whenever I got the notification. And I sat on it just a little bit too long, and then once I decided, it was gone. So I learned my lesson. Just like the, I think it was last year's advent calendar. I thought about it, and it was kind of like, I want to get it. But I was going to get a couple other things too. And so I was busy searching around trying to find those other things that I wanted to get. And by the time I went to purchase, it was like the advent calendar was no longer available. So this year, I didn't load anything up in my cart because I didn't want to have extra stuff in there with shipping. So as soon as I knew it was ready, bam, I placed the order. Speaking of order, that's terrible I do that. I'm going to go get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. I was doing a little bit of laundry earlier, and I thought I would clean up the old Lancaster black sheep towel, not thinking that I was getting ready to do a shave video. And so I'm using my Nautica hand towel, which it works, but it's not as superior. I will say that. The shave went very nice. The blade combo and the Yaqi razor did well. I don't really like to advertise Yaqi products too much because I got by them a few times. But it is a nice razor. I believe that's the only one that I kept just because I really like the black and red. And it's kind of one of those knockoffs, probably of the Ascension razor. Oh, nice. All right, well, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used. I already cleaned up all my gear. That's how I felt. Tomorrow, I'm hitting the record button, and I'll be looking up there several times to make sure the red light's on. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great shave. Enjoy the rest of the day.